Guys, I'm back. I didn't know how the video closed itself. It's not understandable. Wait, not the right color. But this now it's the right color. Electricity. Whoa, see that? It's cool. Red. Ooh, now let's put the black. Cool bonnet, isn't it? Look at this bonnet. Now let's select. Oh, that's my honor. Maybe destroyer. Wow, boys, it's cool. Look at this. So let's put the roleplay name. If you're playing this, don't copy my name. What? Yeah, I'm in disguise. You see why I'm saying? Cause I'm an electric boss. You know that already, yeah? So I'm gonna go. Wait, but first let me put an emo that is dead, could be dead meme. Like this, boys. So how to, if you want to dance this emote, go to this map or Toy Terror Play. It's not Roblox didn't do this. It's just games. But I know that language, that's Russian. But why it's playing right here when I'm doing a video? Come on, guys. Up. That's an English music. But, well, if you want to be a giant mecha, you need to buy it for 200 because I forgot the number, and some of them there too should be number. Now I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna watch. To sit, there is ESIT 1 and ESIT 2. So I'm gonna ESIT 1 like this. Whoop. Be right back, guys. Tell somebody here. Tell in the comments to know. And if you saw that comment, 5 days, 6 days in my visual, that was an accident. I meant, 1,000 subscribers. Let's get that to my face review. We already know that by my heart. So back. So back. If somebody was here with me, tell in the comments. Well, I'm just gonna sit here. What did he say? I don't understand. Bunede. I'm just gonna get out of here. What's there? He's pointing. Okay. Oop, I'm gonna get out of here. I don't know that language, boy. Because you know there's some Russians in Adopt Me. There's a lot of them, but here could be some Russians, some Spanish, some, well, Italians, and English. Well, I know Russian, but I don't know why they're just like, he's so, I don't know, well, like this. Dennis Love Roblox Minds said it's like this when I'm saying by Russian, so that's why I'm talking about English. Well, I know Russian. Well, I have e-hype emote, and it is off sale now, like this. You could use it in this emote if you want to use this emote. You can use your emotes or leaderboard, only inventory there. Let me lay. Well, I'm actually playing on a tablet, not on a computer. And, when you saw my first video, you thought I was playing on a phone, not any computer, because you didn't see the thing that was like a mouse control, the computer. Well, I'm on an iPad, not computer, and not phone. Whoa. I don't want him to know that I'm Electric Boss. I'm actually in disguise. No, I'm not. Yes. No. You said yes. Come on, dude. How do you see it? There's no you have X-ray there. No. Well, I want to say re. I escaped him, boy. Boy, I escaped him. And that's really good. Boy, I'm not here to fight you. I'm here to chill. I'm here to chill, boy. Come on. Well, I'm lucky I'm good at parkours. Which means I could escape him because I'm good at parkours. If you want help in parkours, I could help you, but just friend me, then I could help you like that. No, that's not. Here's him. He's red. I know him. I think he has a twin. Wait, no, that's him. That's his twin brother, and that's him. It's scary. Now, I'll give you a hint. In the store. Well, that's not in my roleplay. It's not in my roleplay, boy. That boy has a twin brother, I guess. Who said the Golden Song has a twin brother. Golden Song sounds from my disguise. And I forgot what his roleplay name. Well, he looks like Thanos, but the head is steady. Lol. Nah, come on. Who's that? Well, one day ago I was playing this map and I was Pyro, but I'm not Pyro now. I'm Electric Boss. You know what? I'm gonna be not a boss, but not Shadow Boss, Electric Boss in disguise. And what the hell's wrong with his eyes? What the hell is wrong with his eyes? Oh, he has everything now. And what's this? Mecha mode costs like this Robux. You're gonna be bigger than normal, but no, it's gonna be giant. But there's no one who has Mecha Game Pass in the server. No one. Plus, if you want to use Banoid and 20 roleplay, you need to join Gamod group. It's for free. No Robux, but I spent Robux on extra flashlights and on Nightmare Pack. And joined Gamod group for free. Now, let's see this. What the hell? Wait, how did he get that? How did he get that? If you played this 1 year ago and you still remember how to play this, comment please. Please comment that, because I don't know how did he do this. Well, I'm gonna go. Don't raid me, boy, or it's ready. Alright, I don't know. So I'm just gonna ignore that. So let's find that bully. Now let's see. In real life, I'm not a bully. Now I was searching on my Roblox account for free Robux. I found get bullied or be a bully. Well, I just ignored that. What? That's not to what the HECK. It's so what the hell? You know that's not an F word. Revenge on who, boy? There is no one to get revenge. Oh, he wants to copy me, boy. What does he want to copy me? And he just put the wrong legs in the body. No, who are you? No, who are you?